today I've found a fun problem for us to go through. If x plus y equals 10 and x squared plus y squared equals 58, what is the value of x times y? Okay, so let's try to figure this out. Let's solve this in two different ways, because there's two different ways we can go about doing it. The first time, let's do it a little bit harder way. We'll do it with the system of equations. So x plus y equals 10 and x squared plus y squared equals 58. So from here, we can just start off by solving for x, and we can just say x equals 10 minus y. Right? Then we can take that and we can plug it into this, and we'll get 10 minus y squared plus y squared equals 58. Then from here, we'll get 100 minus 20y, then plus y squared equals 58. Then from here, let's just subtract 58 and we'll group everything together, right? So we'll get 42, plus minus 20y plus 2y squared, and that equals 0. Then we can factor out 2 and we'll get y squared minus 10y plus 21 equals 0. Then we can factor this, and this will just become 2 times y minus 7, y minus 3 equals 0. Then, well, we have kind of an issue. We have two possible values of y. We'll have y equals 7 and y equals 3. Well, if y equals 7, let's just go up to this up here. What does x equal? X will equal 3. So x equals 3. Then if we take y equals 3 and we take it and we put it in here, we'll get x equals 7. X equals 7, right? So obviously, it doesn't really seem to matter what the value of x and y is, because we're not looking for x and y. We're looking for x times y. And then once again, let's take this. Let's take 7, y equals 7. Let's put it in here. We get 49, right? Because that's 7 squared. Then we take 3, x equals 3. We put it in here and we get 9. 49 times plus 9 is 58. That checks out. And if we do the same over here, we'll also get 58. So all we have to do is take x times y, and either way, that will be 21, okay? And that's our answer. But there's an even faster way to do this, and it makes it much easier. Let's ponder what x plus y squared equals. Well, if we expand this, we'll get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And maybe you can see something. If you can't, let me rearrange it for you, and I think you'll see it perfectly. Equals x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Well, we have everything we could need in here, right? We have our x plus y, which we know. We have our x squared plus y squared, which we know. And we have our xy right here, which is what we're trying to figure out. That's perfect, right? So let's take x plus y. That'll be 10 squared plus equals x squared plus y squared. We know that's 58, right? Then plus 2xy, right? Then from here, we'll get 100 equals 58 plus 2xy. Then we can subtract 58 and we'll get 42 equals 2xy. And then we divide by 2 and we get xy equals 21, just like we did before. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I say anything wrong or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.